Uh, hey there, anime fans. If you're wondering why Chad from Bleach Thousand Year Blood War sounds different, no, you're not alone. The character who was previously voiced by Jamieson Price now has a new voice actor, Alain Mesa. This change has sparked a lot of discussion among fans who have grown attached to the original voice artists over the years. But Bleach isn't just any anime. Um, it's known for its diverse cast of characters, and the creators have made a conscious effort to be more inclusive with their voice cast as well. Chad, for example, is a character with both Japanese and Mexican ancestry, and his new voice actor, Alain Mesa, is of Cuban origin. Uh, while some fans are still adjusting to the change, uh, many appreciate the effort to cast actors who can better represent the characters they're voicing. Um, this shift towards more diverse voice casting isn't just happening in Bleach. More and more voice actors from different cultural backgrounds are being showcased in anime, which is a positive step towards better representation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the new voices in Bleach Thousand Year Blood War. Uh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Um, Now, for a little joke, why don't we ever tell secrets in the Bleach universe? Because they always get sold. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.